So, if you're in the tech industry, you might have heard about Chat GPT, but if you're not, you might be wondering, what is Chat GPT, and why is everyone talking about it? Okay, Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, a leading AI research lab. It's a type of AI system that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. One of the biggest reasons everyone is talking about Chat GPT is its impressive performance in various language tasks. Whether it's answering questions, generating creative writing, or even translating languages, Chat GPT has demonstrated remarkable abilities in all these areas. Another reason for the buzz around Chat GPT is its ability to interact with humans in a natural and conversational manner. Chat GPT is not just a text generator, it's also a text completion system, which means it can predict the next word or phrase you might want to type. This makes it possible to have a conversation with Chat GPT that feels just like talking to a human. You know the fact? Microsoft has invested billions of dollars in parent company OpenAI. And the New York Times also invested $10 billion. And it is actually exciting technology of the time. It is changing the way we think about AI and human-machine interaction. But there is also concern about this. Like, New York public schools banned ChatGPT due to concerns about negative impacts on student learning and concerns regarding the safety and accuracy of content. So, after all, it is great innovation of technology. AI has both positive and negative impact on society. So, we have to decide how we use this great technology for our betterment of society. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. See you in the next video.